Let's jump right in. Today, we're unpacking something I find totally fascinating. If you're an educator, a student, or honestly, just a human being curious about how we actually acquire new skills, you're going to love this. We're looking at a comprehensive educational framework, originally designed for an expert instructor to teach foundational English. It acts as a procedural manual and a long-term syllabus for highly personalized language acquisition, and it is a brilliant blueprint. Let's get into it. But first, let's be real for a second. Think about your own past attempts at learning a new language. How many of us have downloaded an app, bought a thick textbook, maybe even started a class, only to completely stall out after a few weeks? Yeah, it happens to the best of us. So the core question we're tackling today is, how do you build conversational fluency from absolute scratch in just 90 days? To answer that, we're breaking down a bespoke 90-day procedural explainer that takes this vast, frankly overwhelming task of learning English and systematically turns it into an achievable day-by-day reality. Okay, let's dive right into today's lesson plan. First, we'll meet the young learners. Second, we'll explore the teaching philosophy. Third, we'll break down the anatomy of a daily lesson. And finally, we'll look at the 90-day master plan. Starting with Part 1, meeting the young learners and targeting specific students. Great teaching doesn't just happen in a vacuum. This curriculum isn't some generic off-the-shelf template. It's actually a highly personalized educational strategy built for two very specific students, Muhammad Abdullah and Muhammad Taha. They both attend Moon Grammar School at the Johar Town campus in Lahore. The guide even explicitly includes their guardian, Muhammad Munawar, in the profile. Why does this matter? Well, by knowing exactly who these learners are, the instructor can tailor every single example, vocabulary word, and conversation to fit their actual daily lives. That's how you make learning stick. And this brilliantly illustrates the exact gap this structured 90-day plan is trying to bridge. The starting point? Absolute beginners, or what's known as the A1 level. They are starting from the absolute foundation. But the target destination is elementary, or the A2 level. That means moving from essentially zero to holding basic, confident, everyday English conversations in just 3 months. It's super ambitious, which means the vehicle getting them there needs to be perfectly tuned. Which brings us to Part 2, the teaching philosophy, and how to create a supportive environment. So the source material mandates a very specific bilingual approach. The instructor uses mostly English, right? But they explain the really difficult concepts in simple Urdu whenever it's needed. And why is this so vital? Think about it. Stepping into a completely foreign language is terrifying for a beginner. By using simple Urdu to scaffold those complex English concepts, the teacher actively lowers the student's anxiety, or what linguists actually call the affective filter. As their interactive speaking and listening improves, the Urdu is gradually reduced. It's literally like taking the training wheels off a bicycle, just 1 millimeter at a time. Now, this supportive environment is protected by a strict set of rules. Be patient, encourage both students equally, celebrate progress, but arguably the most crucial rule, never criticize mistakes. And this isn't just about being a nice teacher, it's a scientifically proven approach to language acquisition. If students fear criticism, they clam up, they stop speaking, and if they stop speaking, they literally stop learning. The entire focus here is on building student confidence and creating a genuinely safe space to practice. All right, Part 3, Anatomy of a Daily Lesson. Let's look at the 14-step engine. The curriculum outlines this massive 14-step systematic lesson structure that breaks down into a distinct macro flow. It kicks off with a friendly greeting and warm-up questions, simple things like, "Hey, what did you eat today?" just to get them talking. Then it shifts into the core grammar and vocabulary input. Step 3 is output through interactive conversation practice. And finally, Step 4 wraps it all up with assessment and daily motivation. It is an incredibly well-balanced sequence of taking information in and then immediately putting it to use. So the absolute crucial point here is simplicity. The instructor is strictly directed to teach only one grammar topic per lesson. Maybe that's pronouns today, maybe it's the present simple tense tomorrow. Alongside that, they introduce just 10 to 15 new words related to one single topic, like family or weather. This laser focus is deliberately designed to prevent cognitive overload for the boys. It guarantees they actually master the material instead of just, skimming past it. Now, remember earlier when I said never criticize mistakes? Well, mistakes obviously still happen, and they do need to be fixed. So the procedural approach here requires the teacher to correct politely, explain why it's incorrect in really simple terms, show the correct sentence, and then ask the student to repeat that corrected sentence as a pronunciation drill. It's a brilliant feedback loop. It completely removes the shame of being wrong and immediately turns the error into a productive, interactive speaking exercise. Now, what's really interesting here is that this exact motivational message, or at least a variation of it, is entirely mandatory for ending every single lesson. Step 14 of the Daily Engine requires the instructor to look at Abdullah and Taha and say, "Excellent work. Keep practicing. Small improvements lead to great success." It ensures that no matter how tough the grammar was that day, the students always leave feeling accomplished and genuinely eager to return the next day.
And that leads us to part 4, the 90-day master plan, moving from daily steps to fluency.
Let's zoom out and see how this all builds, because through this long-term syllabus, the learning really compounds. Those daily habits of conversation, grammar, and vocabulary, they're powerful on their own, but they're locked in through structured weekly revisions, ensuring that nothing learned on Monday is forgotten by Friday. Plus, there are monthly assessments to formally track their progress. So it's not just crossing fingers and hoping they learn, it's a rigorous, systematic compounding of micro-habits over a 3-month stretch.
All of this highly structured effort drives directly toward the final benchmarks. By the end of the 90 days, Mohammed Abdullah and Mohammed Taha are expected to introduce themselves confidently, hold natural, everyday dialogues, read short passages, and write basic paragraphs completely independently. And that proves the framework is systematically pushing them exactly to that A2 goal we talked about at the very beginning.
Which brings us to our final thought for this explainer, and honestly, it's a bit of a challenge for you. We've just walked through an absolute masterclass in taking a massive goal and breaking it down into a hyper-structured, step-by-step daily engine. Could this 14-step bilingual blueprint, with its intense focus on daily repetition, immediate application, and relentless positive reinforcement, be adapted to help you master literally any new skill in 90 days? Whether you want to learn to code, play an instrument, or tackle a new language yourself, the blueprint is right here. You just have to apply it. Thanks so much for hanging out with me to explore this incredible educational framework. Keep learning, and I'll catch you next time.